Welcome back to my channel. If you are just seeing me for the first time, my name is Bella. I'm a YouTuber, I'm a content creator. I talk about every way to make money online. So I've been getting a lot of messages, a lot of texts, a lot of emails about stock, how to start stock investing, how to open an account, how to get it done. So today I will make sure I bring you a detailed explanation on how everything works, what you need to do, what app you need to use, how to set everything up to start your investment journey, to start trading stocks. Stay tuned. So number one, what is stock? So stock is just like you own a particular part of a company, like a pieces part of a company. So you become an investor. Do you get it? When you own a stock, you become an investor to that company. So if the company is performing well, your stock also appreciates in price. In stocks, you can make money in two ways: by capital appreciation or by dividend. So dividend is a profit sharing. Maybe at the end of the year, if the company make a profit, they share it among their investors. So if you own a stock that have dividend, that actually pay dividend, you will receive a lot every year. Some companies pay twice, some companies pay once. It depends on the stock of the company you actually bought. You get that's just it. And also the capital appreciation. When the company is performing extraordinarily well, the price of that stock will actually increase in price, and also your portfolio will also increase in price. So you make money in two ways with stock trading. That is your capital appreciation and dividend. Here. So the second question I have here is stock safe for investment purpose? Like, is this safe? Can you invest for a longer term? Actually, that depends on you. Me personally, I believe I always invest in blue chip stocks. What do I mean by blue chip stock? There are some companies that have already established. They are not going anywhere. But at the same time, they may have some lot of issues at some point. Let's use MTN as an example now. We all know MTN is a very strong company, despite the fact that they are having this kind of network issues, network failure sometimes, but still yet you cannot compare them with any telecommunication company in Nigeria because they are the best. So there's a belief in that company. A lot of people believe in them. So if you believe in MTN, that this company are not going anywhere, and obviously they're not going anywhere. But this life is not a roller coaster. Sometimes you go up, sometimes you come down, sometimes you encounter a lot of problems, but at the same time you are still there, you still stand strong. So like GTCO, MTN, Arade, Dangote, all those companies, they are blue chip company. They are not going anywhere. Even if they have a lot of issues, maybe their stock price is declining in price, you are very certain that in the long run they are still going up. So all those stocks, they are safe investments. If you buy it now, you just need to relax. In the next 5 years, you are still cashing out, you are still making profits. You get. And also we have some stock called penny stocks. They may be trading below 5 naira. They are just short-time investment opportunity. You can just get in, and when they pump, you withdraw your money, you cash out your profit. So it's not a long-term something you can bank on, because okay, let me use this company as an example now. The Charms Holding. The stock price is currently trading below 5 naira currently now, and there is a probability that the stock might pump in price because this company involved in serving creating of digital ID card, a voters card, and election is coming. There's a high probability they may get contracts from the government. This time now, all these investors will be watching quietly, and long run, maybe they can just invest their money. When the price pump up, they withdraw the cash out. When the election is over, there is still probability that the stock price will crash in price. You get it now? So those stocks, they are not reliable. You can't just bank on them for a longer time. Do you get? That's just it. But if you want to say stock is safe, you have to invest in blue chip stock, the likes of GTCO, Zenith Bank, Arade, that is in oil and gas sector, and industry like of Dangote and Dangote refinery, Dangote sugar, and also industry like Okomo and Presco. So all those things, they are blue chip stock. They are reliable. These stocks are not going anywhere. So if you invest your money in them, you are definitely safe. So which stock broker is the best? Actually, there is no stockbroker that is the best. It depends on your personal preference. Do you get? Me personally, I'm using bamboo and some Afri Invest and other thing for particular purpose. I'm investing in bamboo. This investment is for this purpose. That's why it's also good to have a that is why it's also good to have a investment purpose, investment clarity. Like, why are you doing this? Are you just investing for investing sake? Are you investing because of the hype, because of the trend? No, you have to have a purpose. Why am I doing this? Is it for my retirement? Is it for my future? Am I working on a particular project, or am I just protecting my money from inflation? All those kind of things. You just have to have it in mind. Have reason why you are investing. That's one thing. Also, your or the likes of interface you want. Bamboo interface is different from Afri Invest interface. It depends on your preference. Like, okay, I would like this compared to this. What you actually like, do you get? So that's just it actually. And also, it depends on the type of stocks you want to buy. Maybe I've said that before. Maybe you want to focus on international stock or Nigerian stock. If you want to focus on international stock, I will strictly recommend bamboo. They have access to international market easily. And also, Afri Invest, if you want to focus on Nigerian stock. So that's the last question. The last question here is, how can I get started? How can I get started? It's very, very easy. The only thing you need to do now is to conclude your mind on which stocks you want to buy, which app do you want to use based on what I've said about every app I've mentioned. So me personally, I recommend bamboo for you or Afri Invest, depending on your choice. You just download the app, set up your account, make sure everything you enter is tally with that of your ID card. It's very important. Please take notes with your ID card, because if you have any discrepancy there, you may have delay in verifying your account, and even if you have deposits, you might not be able to withdraw your money until you are clear of that, because they will restrict your account to do anything, to withdraw your money, but they can accept your deposits. So that's just it. You have to make sure everything is tally. Everything is tally. After it's tally, they will do the KYC for you. You'll be fully verified, and also you'll be given your CSCS number, that is Central Security Clearing System number. So that number is like your unique ID. Even if your broker, if your app you want to be using now, if bamboo or Afrinfest, if they crash, you can still have access to your stock through the CSCS number, through the SEC website. You can just locate, you can track your stock anytime you want, even if your app crashes up. Make sure you save that number somewhere safe. So make sure you save that number somewhere safe. It's as important as anything. Please make sure you keep it safe. Also note that there is no trading during the weekend, during the public holiday. Stock trading doesn't work. So after this video, if you still have any question, make sure you drop it in the comment section, like your honest opinion. I want to hear back from you, and let me know the kind of content you want me to make video on. Maybe you want me to trade live for you and see how it actually works, or you want another video about how to make money online. Just make sure you drop it in the comment section and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.